Meal is something that create our health, connect our families. We all love to share our meals with family and our friends. Bakery with healthy, gluten-free, and lactose-free ingredients. Using only health, vegan products with needed vitamins, which provides full ration of needed amino acids to our body. We have our lovely dishes, learning new cooking skills on masterclasses. Our nature make a gift for us with rich variety of products and ingredients, with wide palette of flavors, from ancient Indian spicy ingredients to sunny fruits and coconuts. With help of them, we can crafting wonderful and delicious dishes together. Each body has its own needs of required vitamins and amino acids to be able feel comfortable and fullness for everyday activity and peaceful states. For fitting personal body's requirements, we analyzing your healthcare data, personal nutrition recommendation, interests, by applying deep technologies, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, to be able provide best personal services experience for you and your family. Let's make our life tastier and healthier to enjoy together. Inserviss. Taking care for what is really mattering for you.